Monster Powersports is offering this 2015 Kawasaki Ninja 300. To see more photos of this bike, to get pricing information, to fill out a credit app, and to see what your trade is worth, visit monsterpowersport.com. Give us a call at 847-526-0500. Or you can come check this bike out in person. We are located 45 minutes north of Chicago. And our address is 315 North Rand Road in Wauconda, Illinois. This bike has been serviced and safety inspected and is ready for the road. It has a tinted windscreen and an aftermarket exhaust. Check out our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. We also do out-of-state financing. And we sell bikes all over the country.